welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Welcome back to another shopping haul, guys. Okay, so today is a shopping haul. Okay, yeah, you might see me in the same outfit because I'm videoing today. Okay, today is video day. Okay, guys, so we are going to do a mixture combined haul. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought from Asda and Iceland. Okay, guys, so if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, and don't forget to leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Let's get to 6,000 subscriber. Okay, guys, so let me show you guys what I bought. Enjoy watching and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I bought on the table here. It's combined haul, Asda and Iceland. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys my receipts. Just so I will show you guys everything on the table first. I zoomed the camera in, that's why it's quite big. See if I can zoom it a bit outward. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, so these are my receipts. They are quite faint. That's Iceland, that's Asda. It's quite faint, so let's just dive right in. Okay, guys, in no particular order, I'm just going to be anyone I remember the price. I'll be telling you guys because the receipts are very faint, so faint. I can hardly see anything written on this receipt. Can you guys see how blank that is? See how blank it is. I can hardly see anything in it. Yeah? Oh my god. Anyway, some of them I remember the price, some I don't. So it's a combined haul. So if I remember while I'm showing you guys, I will. If I can't see it in the receipt I meant to say, while I'm showing you guys, I will be checking the receipt and see. Okay, so let's start from this side. Mainly, all the frozen food is from Iceland. Okay, all the frozen food from Iceland. All right, guys. So we got chips here. You guys know these chips. Iceland is still doing 3 for 10 pound, not 3 for 5 pound. 3 for 10 pound. This is the big bag, 2.25 kilo. It's 3 for 10 pound. Okay, and then we got chicken nuggets here. The chicken nugget is 6 pound. Because I buy this, so I always remember the prices. Chicken nugget is 6 pound. It's 115 in there. I got 2 of them. Still there. I got 1 burger buns. It's 2 pound. There's 12 in there. I got just 1. I think we still have some. Now I cannot see the receipt. I think the lettuce is 89p. Yeah, the lettuce is 89p. I got 2 of the lettuce. Okay, and then I got this garlic bread from Asda. So all these are Iceland. The lettuce is from Iceland as well. Okay, and then I got this garlic bread from Asda. The garlic bread is 1 pound. I bought just 1. Okay, I bought just 1. And then I got this pizza from Asda. Without being told, you will see the Asda logo on it. It's 5 pound for the pizza, and this one is 1 pound. Okay, and then moving along over here, I got some digestive biscuits from Asda. They are 70p each. I got 3 70p. Okay, and then we got some ketchup here. There's the ketchup. I was trying to look at the receipt to see if I can find the price. So the biscuits are from Asda. The ketchup is from Asda. The ketchup is 1.35 pound. Okay, 1.35 pound. I got 2 of them. I mistakenly picked the one that the bottle is wonky, but it's okay, we'll use it like that. I got 2, 1.35 pound for 1. And then I got these pasta sauces. They are 95p each from Asda. These 2 are the same thing. These 2 the same. This is different. They are 95p each. Okay, those things used to be less than 95p, but these days the price is skyrocketed. Okay, so over here we have some tortilla wraps from Iceland. It's 3 for 3 pound. So I got 3. One at the bottom. 3 pound. Okay, and then I also got this brioche bread. This 8 brioche rolls. They are 3 pound as well. 1 is a pound. So I got 3. So you can see there's 2 there plus that. That's 3. Okay, guys. And then over here we got some toiletries over here. These are from Asda. I'm going to try and remember the prices. I pray so help me God. Because I'm trying not to look at the receipt, but I think Asda receipt is a bit more clearer compared to, see, Asda receipt is more clearer compared to Iceland. Iceland own, I'm telling you guys, I cannot even see anything. Can you guys see? It's completely faint. Okay, so over here I saw this band too, because I'm looking for, I have one that I'm using, this forgot the name of the brand, but I said let me try Bantu. Is it Bantu they call it now? It's not Bantu, please forgive me. It's Cantu. It's Cantu, guys. Please, sometimes pronunciation can be headache. This is Cantu product, shea butter, leave-in conditioner, repair cream. This is my first time buying this, and I'm going to try it. I have a leave-in conditioner, something Africa Pride or Pride of Africa that I'm using, but it's going. I just thought I would just try this. This is £6. It's more expensive than the one I'm using right now. Anything Cantu is expensive anyway. So whether it's working or it's not working, it's expensive. I don't even understand the brand. But anyway, it's £6 for this, okay? And then I got a shaving stick. How much is the shaving stick? Shaving stick for my husband. Let's see if I can find the shaving stick on the Asda thing. Asda receipt. Shaving stick, where are thou? Guys, I'm looking for the shaving stick. Oh, seriously speaking, I think the shaving stick is probably £2. Is it that £2 or £1 something? I really can't find it. All I can see there, it says toiletry, £2. So it must be the shaving stick. I don't think there's any other thing there that is toiletry, £2. So the shaving stick is £2, guys. That's what the receipt is showing me there. Toiletry. You see here my hand is there. £2. So anyway, it's joined together, making it 20. Okay, and then we have let me put this properly. Then we have the men's Nivea roll-on for men. Okay, Nivea roll-on for men. Where is it? Roll-on Nivea, guys. I'm looking for it too. Okay, conditioner roll-on, £1.45. £1.45 for the I remember, £1.45, yeah, for the Nivea roll-on. Then this roll-on is £3 because I remember very well now. This roll-on here, this one is £3. It's normally £3 or £3.50 or £4 sometimes. Okay, yeah, so there's just one. And then this one is also £3. This one here is for my son. It's £3. I bought 2 of it. That's the second one. Yeah, £3 each. Okay, and then I also got this big shower gel for him. There's 2 types. That's one, and this is the other one. They are for £5 each. They are quite huge. extra large written on it because it's very massive anyway. So it's for £5 each. £5 each. Different 2 type. £5 each. Okay, and then over here I got my hair shampoo and hair Aussie. I use the Aussie hair for my hair to wash my hair, and I also use the conditioner to condition. I was going to buy their hair musk, but it's £10. I'm like, please leave it. So these are £4.50 each. £4.50 each. The shampoo is also £4.50. Okay, and then over here we got some milk from Iceland. These are all from Asda. All this shower gel and stuff is from Asda. So we got the milk from Iceland. If only I can see the receipt. I don't know. Milk. I think the milk is probably £2 something. Milk, yeah, £2.20 for the milk. Okay, I got 2. £2.20 each. Okay, guys, and then I'll show you guys the tortilla wrap, right? Yes. And then over here we have some cooked ham. There's 3 of them, 3 for £5. You can see 3 for £5 is written on it. There's 3 of them. Okay, and then we got this drink that I normally buy. You guys know already. They are £1 each. Okay, from Iceland. And then the slush poppy, £1.50. I bought 2 from Iceland. And then we got some cracker biscuits here from Asda. Cracker biscuits. Let me see how much the cracker biscuits are. I don't know if it's going to write it there. Sometimes it will just write biscuit. Okay, crackers. I've seen the crackers. Cracker biscuit. Where is it now? 49p, guys. 49p for the cracker biscuits. I got 2 of them. And then this is Asda's own crepes. I've never bought this before. I've never bought them before. I just saw them. My son said he wants crepes. I decided to get these ones. They're a bit more cheaper. They are £1.45, I think. Yeah, I was looking at the price. It was either £1.45 or £1.35. Let me see if I can find the price on the receipt. Crepes, custard, no. I think they are £1.45 actually. Okay, I can't find it right here, but I remember they were £1.45 when I was picking it. I was looking at the price very well. Okay, so I got two types. And see, there's two types of them there. Okay, and then over here we got some brown flakes. I got some brown flakes over there. There's two of them, so you guys can see. There's two brown flakes. Brown flakes is very good for your stomach actually. So I've got two brown flakes. They are £1.40 for one. Okay, yeah, they're £1.40 for one. Okay, and then we got cornflakes. I bought just one cornflakes, the small one. I couldn't find the big one, so it's 75p. I couldn't find the big one. I really wanted the big one. I couldn't find it. 75p. Okay, and then we have milk. I couldn't find their other milk, but it's still okay. 59p. So I think they are changing the label of their own brand. It's like they change. Can you see? They changed the label. Okay, it's 59p. I bought 4. 59p. So I bought 4. 3 there plus that one 4. And then I got the custard as well. Bearside custard. The custard is £2. Okay, guys. Custard is £2 for the custard. Bearside custard, £2. Okay, and then we're coming to the bread. I think the bread is 75p. Yeah, bread, yeah, 75p. I bought 2 bread, thick slice, 75p for the bread. Okay, they are from Asda. The milk, the custard from Asda. Okay, so we got our sausages from Iceland. I got just 1 pack of these sausages. Okay, the sausages how much is this sausage again? No, I think it's £2.50 for the sausage. I think it's £2.50. I cannot see the receipt. Oh god, I'm straining my eye to try and see if I can poke sausage. No, the sausage is £3.50, guys. It's not £2.50. Yeah, it's £3. It's £3.50 for the sausage, guys. £3.50. I bought just one. Okay, £3.50. Yeah, guys. And then I bought family lasagna. Family lasagna. The lasagna is how much now? £5. Okay, I bought £5. I bought 2 lasagna, £5. Okay, guys. And then I got some steak bake, 4 for £10. Yes, 4 of them for £10. Okay, yeah. And then I got this egg for £3.95 from Iceland. £3.95 from Iceland. Okay, and then we got some chicken wings. They are 3 for £10. 3 for £10. So you guys can see, yeah. Okay, 3 for £10 chicken wings. What else have I not shown you guys? I think I've shown everything actually. Okay, guys. So if I forget anything, I forget it. Okay, so that's everything on this haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.